Bitcoin is right now continuously breaking higher and right now creating a new pattern after breaking this one out towards the upside, while at the same time already having filled this Bitcoin CME gap over here, but right now in the short term actually starting to create these bearish divergences. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 140 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, our Bitcoin trade has been doing absolutely beautiful with another push towards the upside yesterday. But of course, yesterday we were still trading inside of a weekend. So we've been creating this Bitcoin CME gap over here, but right now have come back towards the downside to be filling up that CME gap like we have been talking about 2 days ago. If we were going to create any kind of a small CME gap, most likely it is going to be getting filled very quickly. So yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. Anyways, in that short term, Bitcoin is creating a new pattern over here, and in my opinion, this is going to be a little bit more of a bearish kind of pattern. This is going to be an ascending broadening wedge. Now, technically speaking, it is actually going to be more likely to be breaking this one out towards the downside. Also because in that short term, Bitcoin is right now also creating these bearish divergences. This is right now a double bearish divergence. So definitely, yeah, in that short term, do be a little bit cautious. Now, definitely in that larger time frame, we are very bullish over here with right now Bitcoin breaking above this previous level of resistance, right now in towards support. Definitely, this is looking very good. And of course, like we've been talking about, in these larger time frames, this Bitcoin price action is just looking extremely bullish. So we need to be talking about that exactly a little bit later, but do keep in mind that Bitcoin in that short term is starting to maybe potentially start to run in towards this level of resistance anytime soon. And at that moment, yeah, we could be expecting a little bit of a short-term cool-off, a little bit of a healthy correction. That could definitely be possible for Bitcoin in that short term. If we are going to be seeing a little bit of a consolidation in that short term, that's definitely going to be quite good and quite healthy for Bitcoin. So yeah, definitely do be aware that this could be happening. Now anyways, inevitably later we are going to be seeing another push towards the upside. I do think so. Like inevitably towards this level over here, but I do think even higher, and that we are going to be breaking this level over here. First of all, we are seeing this falling wedge breakout towards the upside. More momentum towards the upside is going to be inevitable. Breaking major structures right now towards the upside, breaking back above the 21 weekly moving average. Also getting this bullish divergence right now playing out. Yeah, having this history being repeated, with this liquidity being grabbed towards the downside. Yeah, perfectly history is being repeated right now. Flipping this trend into an uptrend once again. And once again flipping back above the EMA ribbons on that 2-day time frame. So once again, yeah, history is repeating over here from of this level over here. At the same time, the Bitcoin funding rates are still very low. Yesterday they were even a little bit in the negative. And this is causing still that the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side. And most likely, Bitcoin is going to be grabbing that top liquidity. So yeah, that is still looking very good. Now do be a little bit cautious in that short term. Anyways, in that larger time frame, we are definitely going to be headed higher in my opinion. So anyways guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below. Because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming this $500 trade over on Bitcoin or on altcoins. All you need to do is click on that link down below, register a new account, deposit at least $100, and you can be claiming this free trade over on Bybit. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Take advantage of this free trade you can be getting right now. Anyways, for Solana is looking absolutely beautiful here in my opinion. History is just being repeated right now with this beautiful accumulation, just like we did right over here. Right now, finally breaking this one out towards the upside, starting to look very good in my opinion. Anyways, yes, that spot Ethereum ETF will be launching tomorrow. So yeah, huge inflows are going to be incoming. This is going to be massive for Ethereum and for all of the altcoins. Anyways, Bitcoin in that larger time frame is right now testing this level of resistance. We are starting to create this wolf-like pattern. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, we do have that price target of that 100k level, which is going to be very, very funny because of another metric we are going to be having a look into in a second. But first of all, yeah, Bitcoin is also creating this megaphone pattern. Once again, another very bullish pattern that we are right now creating, definitely looking very good. And why this is so funny that we are going to be having this 100k target is because Elon Musk has once again changed his profile picture to the laser eyes. So yeah, Bitcoin to 100k is going to be imminent. Now, what is going to be exciting about this is somewhere in my comments, because someone said his jet landed in Tennessee. He is coming to the Bitcoin conference, and maybe that could be possible because there is one of the biggest Bitcoin conferences incoming. I don't know about that. That could just be a little bit of a rumor, but that could be very interesting. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.